Today we are showing our TAICO's IP65 systems. You can see this is our 10 kilowatts inverters IP65, and this is 16 batteries. This whole system is 16 rated, and we can see he can use it in the harsh weather, like the side the water is proof. So next we invite our engineer to push the water on this system. Whether can this light still work? Okay, begin. You can see this light is working, and next we invite our engineer to put the water on side. Okay, you can see our engineer inside this water. By the way, this battery is a solid battery. He can more than 10,000 tons lifestyle. Yes. Waterproof, absolutely. And you can check the broke we doing the water protections. The water can absolutely not can put it in. The every single, not any slide. Okay, the next we put the inverter. This inverter is working. You can see the display is also light, is still light. Photograph, check the light. The light is always still work. You can see, yeah. The whole system is 16.5 protections. When you're using the water of the rain under the harsh weather, he can more running the reliable.